Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and in this video I will show you which two fuses to check in case your power sliding doors are not working. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Both fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood. Main fuse box is just next to the vehicle battery. To leave this cover, you will have two black tabs on the right side, one here and one here. So you will want to press on those to unlock them and leave the cover. On the back side of the cover you will have a fuse diagram as well. First fuse to check will be fuse number J3, which is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to the rear door module. So this is the important fuse because it supplies power to the rear doors. And the main fuse to check is fuse number J11. It is also a 30 amp fuse responsible for power to the power sliding door module. So this is the main fuse you want to check. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.